Case-based learning? It
Yes.
sounds very fancy and all, but what exactly does that mean?
See, case-based learning is all about, studying the concepts related to cases, You can actually understand the practical implications of all the concepts. So it gives you a wider horizon of learning.
Which is nice. Speaking of larger perspective, your library is very nice and fancy, etc.
Yeah.
So this e-learning is a very large part of your campus.
While giving presentations, we are asked to give references. So for these references, we generally go to our library where we've got online databases like Emerald, EMSCO for that matter, and also we've got access to a lot of journals like Wall Street, The Economist.
So the cool part about all of it is obviously one part of your grooming is the fact that you read so much. What about grooming other parts of your personality? How do you do that?
Basically, soft skills at IBS is given huge importance, and you have to take care of one fact that it starts from the basics of personality effectiveness. You even train on the dining etiquettes, and then hence taking it forward, you speak about the article writing, resume writing, and the corporate communication that takes place.
What is with technology in the campus? Because it's extremely hi-fi, right? So what's that all about?
Yeah, definitely. Here we've got basically we have QuickForce, which is it's a learning management system. Here we have access to our intranet. We have access to all the journals that are available online in our library. We have cases that we can read. We have videos by our professors. We're actually teaching how a concept can be learned. So obviously, yes, technology definitely is a very big part of IBS here.
So as I understand, you've got a very large and dynamic sport facility here. Tell me about that.
Yeah, the sport facility here is really good. We have both indoor and outdoor games facility here. And we also have a Olympic size swimming pool here.
The cool part is I think you got students from like across the country because on your teams I've seen very like diverse participants. How does that happen?
Yeah, that's right. We have students from almost 26 states here. So the class participation becomes a very important role here, and it's very fruitful, and the participation is really healthy.
When you're not studying, when you're not in the classroom, then what are you guys up to?
There are pitches in the co-curricular activities. We have around 30 different clubs, committees and cells in IBS. And just to give a brief about the statistics, we had around 240 events in the last 6 months, 62 of which were lectures given by eminent personalities from different industries. So we have our classes, we have our sports, and we have our co-curricular activities as well, making us a complete personality out from IBS.
Excellent. You met all the students. They're so cool.